Good morning, dear students. I am teaching lesson 8, cell structures and function. Cell structures and functions. Cell structures and functions. And yesterday I told about the nucleus. And I told nucleus is the spherical body and it consists four parts. First one is the nuclear membrane. It is the outer covering. Nuclear membrane is the outer covering of the nucleus. Nuclear membrane is the outer covering of the nucleus and is called the nuclear membrane, and it separates the nucleus from the cytoplasm. And nuclear membrane, like the cell membrane, is porous, having tiny holes in it which allow exchange of substances between the nucleoplasm and the cytoplasm. And the jelly fluid inside the nucleus is called the nucleoplasm. And second one is the nucleoplasm. It consisting of nucleoplasm. Second one is the nucleoplasm. First one is consists nuclear membrane. Nucleus is consisting four parts. First one is the nuclear membrane. Second one is the nucleoplasm. And nucleoplasm is the jelly-like substances. And it separates nucleus from the cytoplasm. And nuclear membrane, like the cell membrane, is porous and having tiny holes in it which allow exchange of substances between the nucleoplasm and the cytoplasm. And jelly-like fluid inside the nucleus is called the nucleoplasm. And chromosomes and nucleoli are present in the nucleoplasm. And nucleolus is a small spherical body present in the nucleus. And third one is the nucleolus. Nucleolus is a small spherical body present in the nucleus. It is a small spherical body present in the nucleus. Small spherical body present in the nucleus. And chromosomes is a thread-like structures. And fourth part is the chromosomes. Chromosomes is the thread-like structures. Chromosome is the thread-like structures which carry a number of genes. It is a thread-like structure. And which carry a number of genes. The chromosomes and the genes play an important role in the inheritance of character from one generation to the next generation, and it is from the parent to the children. The chromosomes can be seen only when a cell divides. When cell divides, then only you can see the chromosome. When cell divides into, first cell is divided into two parts, then 4 equal parts, then 8 equal parts, then 16, like this cell divides. Now function of nucleus. What is the function of nucleus? Transmission of characters from one generation to another. Transmission of characters from one generation to next generation. And control of all the life functions taking place inside the cell. And now come to the organelles. In number of structure found in number of structures called organelles occur in the cytoplasm. In number of organelles occur in the cytoplasm, and these are, first one is the mitochondria. First one is the mitochondria. First one is the mitochondria, and second one is the chloroplast. Chloroplast, and third one is the endoplasmic reticulum, and fourth one is the Golgi complex. Golgi complex. These are the organelles present in the cytoplasm. Golgi complex or Golgi bodies. Golgi complex or Golgi bodies, and fifth one lysosomes. Lysosomes, and sixth one ribosomes. Lysosomes, ribosomes. Chloroplasts are green colored. Lysosomes, ribosomes, and chloroplasts are green colored structures as conspicuously present in plant cell. Chloroplast, green color structures, and chloroplast is the green color structures, and it present in the plant cell. Present in the plant cell, and these can be easily seen in the cytoplasm of the cells of Hydrilla, activity 8.3, and Tradescantia, and chloroplast are a kind of plastids. Chloroplast is the kind of plastids, and the small colored structure present in plant small colored structures present in plant cell in the cytoplasm are called plastids, and the green colored plastids are called the chloroplasts, and which provides green color to the leaves. First one is the cell wall. What is cell wall? Cell wall is an extra covering. It is the extra covering. Cell wall is the extra covering that surrounds the cell membrane. Extra covering that surrounds the cell membrane, and it is made up of stiff non-living material called the cellulose. As cell wall is made up of non-living material, that is called the cellulose, and cell wall is lacking in animal cell. In animal cell, cell wall is not present. Animal cell wall is absent. In animal cell wall is absent. And what is the function of the cell wall? What is the functions of the cell wall? What is the function of the cell wall? It provides rigidity to the cell. And second one, it provides protection to the cell. Protection and rigidity to the cell. And plant need protection against high wind speed and variation in temperature and atmospheric moisture, and the plant need to protect themselves from these factors as they cannot move. Have you ever thought why a plant cell has a cell wall and chloroplast? Imagine standing erect without bones or muscles. Also, can your body make its own food? But a green plant stand erect without having any bones and prepare its own food. A plant cell has special parts that make these things possible, and it has a cell wall and chloroplast. The cell wall stiffens the plant. The chloroplast help it to make food. Vacuoles. As a result of various life functions taking place inside the cell, a number of chemical products accumulate within the cell. And these are generally stored inside near clear areas or spaces present in the cytoplasm. And these clear spaces which are surrounded by a membrane are called the vacuoles. and vacuoles are absent from animal cell. Vacuoles are not present in animal cells, and if present they are smaller in size. If it is present, then smaller in size and lesser in number, means very less in number and smaller in size. In case of plant cells, vacuoles are larger in size and more in number. In amoeba, the vacuoles contain food particles and are called the food vacuoles and till here you have to take revision what I taught. And mitochondria is called the powerhouse of the cells, and about these organelles I will tell. And what I taught today, till here you have to take revision. You have to read it properly and you have to take revision. And then I will tell the differences between animal cell and plant cell. What is the difference between animal cells and plant cells? Till here you will take revision.